Are you guys entertained? I hope everyone is enjoying the bull market. In this video, I'll be giving you my up-to-date analysis of the crypto charts, looking at the overall market structure and understanding the levels where we could take profit and our support and resistance zones in both Ethereum and Bitcoin charts, and every other thing I'll be looking at I'm looking at the moment. We'll be looking at that in this video today. So let's just jump right into it. Looking at the overall crypto market, you can see there's a lot of green in the market. A lot of people are happy. A lot of things are happening. Everybody's congratulating themselves, patting themselves on the back, because right now, as at yesterday, we saw the news that came out. All three crypto bills have been passed and has passed successfully in the house. Ethereum ETFs is also there. We see Starlink Gaming also now the largest holder of Ethereum, even surpassing the Ethereum Foundation. All of this is bullish for the market, but this doesn't make us extremely happy. We have to be cautious as traders, and we have to look at different sides of the trade and looking at what can happen or what can turn against us in the near term. And again, since today is Friday, we should be cautious of the weekend volatility. So we just watch our levels and continue to look at these price levels, support and resistance zones that I've pointed out in the past, which still continues to play out. Like for instance, you look at right now on the Bitcoin, we pumped up yesterday up to, and we touched 120,000, but we have gotten rejected, and similarly we seem to be going down to test the support of around 119. So this is what we are seeing on Bitcoin. This still shows us a clear bullish structure that still maintains a growth and a higher price for Bitcoin. So of course we have printed a higher high here. So this seems to show us a continuous bullish structure. So we are looking at more increase in price action in the near term. Looking at Ethereum, which we have been bullish about, we called that out about 2 weeks ago, and we have still been interested in this. Right now we touched the area around 3,670, and we seemingly are selling off a little bit. So of course traders are taking profit after this gigantic move on Ethereum. So we see this pullback. So we expect pullback, which is normal and par for the course in trading. So what is happening in the 4-hourly, same thing, is showing a kind of bearish movement right now. On the RSI, you see we seem to be moving sideways movement. So we expect Ethereum to cool down, because this kind of move has to, a kind of gigantic move and a move to the upside like that, like volatile that we see on Ethereum, it comes with maybe a little bit of choppy movement, sideways movement before, or even a pullback to test support of $3,421 levels before we have another run to the top. Something else that I've been looking at that looks quite interesting is XRP, which everybody has been bullish upon, and looking at the gigantic move happened. So all the levels that we pointed out around the $3 levels, we crossed over that, and now we have even tested a new all-time high at $3.64. So this is showing us a very, very bullish momentum on XRP, and we believe XRP still has a lot of room to grow to the upside. So we are even looking at a $4 target for XRP in the near term. So of course we expect pullbacks along the way. We will be expecting a pullback maybe around the $3 levels. Those are the levels of support. Those are the levels that folks can now get into, jump in a new trade, bearing in mind it has confirmed that support before a pull to the upside. Looking at the liquidation levels, what do we see? We see there's a lot of longs in the market, so this is also concerning to us, but the shorts are kind of almost at par with the longs, so maybe not too much worry at this moment, but just for us to bear in mind these statistics, so we have it and we should be able to take profit. And I hope everybody's taking profit in everything you are doing, because at the end of the day, we are here to make money. We are not here to hold it forever, because that's the whole reason why we are here. And we look at crypto fear and greed index, we are still in greed territory. So a lot of greed is in the market. A lot of traders, investors are exuberant right now, but we have to take a cautionary approach to everything and bear in mind our levels where we take profit, and don't be afraid to put stop losses, so that in case it goes against us, we are out of the trade and we protect our capital. This is the video I have for you today. I hope you guys are taking profit. I hope you guys are watching the charts. We are having a lot of bullish momentum, a lot of sentiment now in the market. Everybody, we are congratulating ourselves. We should also congratulate ourselves, but we should be prepared to take much more, because this train has started and we want to make money. I'll catch you in the next video tomorrow. I'll see you. Peace.